कमाल के पल है ये पल पूरा भारत हर पल जिएगा। ये वो इमोशंस है और ये वो खुशियां हैं जो सब इंतजार कर रहे थे। और बैक टू बैक वर्ल्ड कप, ये भारत बना है विजेता। सूर्य कुमार यादव भारतीय क्रिकेट के सबसे सफल T20 कप्तान बन गए हैं ना। ये मोटेरा की मिट्टी, नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम, अहमदाबाद की मिट्टी, इस मिट्टी में हमने कहानियां देखी है, इतिहास देखा है। कौन कहता था कि इस मैदान पे भारत जीतता नहीं है? कौन कहता था कि ये मैदान हमें शोभा नहीं देता, हमें रास नहीं आता है? रास को छोड़ो बॉस, इतिहास बनाता है ये मैदान। 1983 में कपिल पाजी, 2007 में MS धोनी, 2011 में भी तो MS था, फिर आए रोहित शर्मा, अभी थोड़े दिनों पहले हरमनप्रीत कौर ने इतिहास रचा, और अब सूर्य कुमार यादव। इनके नाम है ये ट्रॉफी। विश्व विजेता है भारत। लगातार खेलते रहना, जीतते रहना, वो अश्वमेध का घोड़ा था ना। जहां गए, जिसके खिलाफ गए, देश बदले, महाद्वीप बदले, लेकिन भारत के जीतने का सिलसिला वो नहीं है बदला। ये लम्हे हमने 2007 में देखे थे, 2024 में देखे थे, और इस 2026 में सूर्य कुमार यादव की टीम ने ये लम्हे दिखाए हमें। और इस समय किसी भी खिलाड़ी की खुशी का कोई ठिकाना नहीं रहता कि जो खुशी के आंसू है वो बाहर निकलते हैं। शायद इनके लिए तो मैं कहूंगा कि ये ऐसा हो गया कि जैसे हर साल एक वर्ल्ड कप, और ये हर साल एक वर्ल्ड कप जीते। ये भारतीय टीम ने दिखाया है करके, डोमिनेंस दिखाई है अपनी। यहाँ कोच खुश, कप्तान खुश, खिलाड़ी खुश, स्पोर्ट्स स्टाफ खुश। 2026 के चैंपियन बनी है भारतीय टीम, सब खुश। 3 बार T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीतने वाली पहली भारतीय टीम बनी है। Wildstone code for the man of code. दुनिया की सबसे मुश्किल भाई सकड़ गया भाई। कोई एक दूसरे को बख्शेगा नहीं। ऐतिहासिक महासंग्राम के लिए टाटा IPL 28 मार्च से। इस जंगल का बस एक ही रूल है, शिकार बनो या शिकारी। ट्रस्ट एक रिस्क है और बिट्रेयल यहाँ की ब्रूटल रियलिटी। ये सिर्फ एक खेल है, दीवानगी। इस दीवानगी में इंडिया के साथ दीवाने इंडिया का दीवाना हो सकता। भारत ये पहला देश बना है जिन्होंने 3 बार इस ट्रॉफी को अपने नाम किया है। इतिहास का पीछा कर रहे थे हम, एक नए इतिहास की रचना करनी थी। हर बाधा का साधन भी है और हमारे पास संसाधन भी है, ये बात बताई गई है, क्योंकि हर मैच में एक नया हीरो निकल कर आया है। एक नया खिलाड़ी जिसने कहा कि मैं हूं ना, मैं संभाल लूंगा, मैं जिता दूंगा। एक बार लड़खड़ाए थे, सिर्फ एक बार इसी मैदान में साउथ अफ्रीका के सामने, लेकिन उसके बाद कितना पोएटिक है कि अभिषेक शर्मा, जिनके ऊपर बड़ी आलोचना थी, जिनकी कहानी चल रही थी कि रन्स नहीं बना रहे, कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर रहे, फाइनल में रन्स भी बनाए हैं, अंतिम विकेट भी उनके नाम। बतौर प्लेयर चैंपियन, बतौर कोच चैंपियन, गौतम गंभीर, और रेयर डिस्टिंक्शन। संजू सैमसन जैसे ही टीम में आए थे, ये टीम का खेलने का अंदाज बदल गया। वंदे मातरम, बिल्कुल सूर्य कुमार यादव भारतीय फ्लैग के साथ एकदम आगे बढ़ते हुए सीना तान। सूर्य कुमार यादव वो लेगेसी आगे लेके जा रहे हैं जो लेगेसी बनाई थी महेंद्र सिंह धोनी ने, लेगेसी बनाई थी रोहित शर्मा ने। उनके साथ अब कंधे से कंधा मिला के खड़े हुए बतौर कप्तान। अर्शदीप का योगदान है इसमें, शिवम दुबे का योगदान है। ये भारतीय टीम एज ए टीम खेली है। ये भारतीय टीम पिछला विश्व कप जब जीती थी 2024 में, आखिरी ओवर में आया था, वो लड़ाई करके जीत आई थी। विश्व कप तब हाथ में आया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे इस विश्व कप में सूर्य कुमार यादव की टीम ने सामने वाली टीम न्यूजीलैंड को पूरी तरह से धराशायी किया। यहाँ तो जरूर कप्तान भी है, साथ में हार्दिक पांड्या भी है, पर नीचे हर्षा भोगले भी तो है ना, उनके साथ अभिषेक शर्मा. लेट्स गो टू इट. And I've got two extraordinary players with me, both of whom, when the moment came, were there for India. I'll start with you, Abhishek. Was there ever at any stage of feeling, why is this happening to me? Can I be there on the big day?
I mean, of course, but the one thing was very clear. I wanted to share before as well, but today was the best day to, tell about this thing that the coach and the captain, they had the faith in me. And, even I was doubting myself because it wasn't easy tournament for me. I've never experienced this before, but still playing the first World Cup, everyone was so much into me that you're gonna win one game, one big game, one big game. So I was just, doing my process, but it wasn't that easy as a young player, or probably you just been 1 or 2 years in the Indian team, and then, going through this phase. But I think I just love this team, the way they treated me in those days. I've never felt it before.
And the two of you have such beautiful stories. Varun, you're a World Cup winner. Tell me about the feeling.
Feels amazing. Two back-to-back ICC trophies, and it feels very surreal. I'm very happy for Abhishek. He was able to score today, and he used to sit next to me, and we used to have good time. Yeah.
Tell us about the conversations you used to have.
We used to keep changing states. We
Trophy
are
আজকে
like,
ময়দানে
what's happening?
দুমদাম করে
Nothing
ফাটবে
is working out for us,
স্টেডিয়ামে.
and finally we have won the cup. So everything is zeroed out. Yeah.
You've had quite a journey yourself. How does it feel now to be standing up on something that must have been a dream for you?
I mean, I've told you before as well, it wasn't that easy for me because I'm, going through the whole year, you've been doing well for the team, and especially on the big occasion, I wasn't able to do well. But the faith and the confidence, I think players and support staff and coaches showed on me. I think I got emotional in between the tournament as well, because if you see that I wanted to do really well for in all the games probably, but I couldn't. But then I was like, I wanted to talk to coach or captain. They always wanted to come to me and just say one thing: you're gonna win us the big games. And I just wanted to wait for that day. And you can't ask for the better day for this.
Well done, overjoyed for the two of you. Lucas, come here. मैं आपके पास अभी 2 मिनट में आऊंगा. Let's go to Danny. He's got someone waiting. Yeah, World Cup winners, you're in this part of the world. You don't have to hop back the rest. You get back. I want to talk to Shiva Dubé. Now, dudes, tell me a bit about the side, because normally you'd bat a bit higher, wouldn't you? So, how was your mindset in thinking about how you're going to approach this new position in this Indian team?
It was always there to hit some big sixes. That was my role since first day of this tournament. And sometimes it happens. Some other batsmen are there when they go up. But yes, I always back myself and think that whenever I get opportunity, I will hit some sixes.
What about this bowling? You're going to be developing more of your bowling.
I have developed a lot, but I have not bowled this tournament. But yes, I'm going to come better next time.
And what about tonight? I mean, a sea of people here. It's a great stage. Tonight, celebrating long on into the week.
Definitely, it's one of the biggest stages today, and the crowd was amazing. This tournament belongs to the supporters of Indian cricket team. The play, and I think we have got that love which supported us a lot in the bad situations. I think all credit goes to all the Indian cricket team supporters.
Yeah, wonderful. Well done. Washington, just wanted to ask you, I mean, didn't play as much you would have wanted, but have you been ever in a happier team environment?
I mean, credit to all the support staff. I mean, they've been amazing throughout the tournament, and even before the tournament, the amount of work they've put in, every individual in the team has been amazing. I mean, it genuinely goes to everyone in the team, and it's an amazing feeling. I think it's an amazing feeling for everyone to be a part of these experiences, and I'm sure there's more to come.
It's so excited. We've got to go back to Harshit Bhogle. मैं आपसे बात करने ही वाला था, दौड़े चले गए कहीं.
कुछ नहीं, बस मिचेल को सॉरी बोलने गया था. थ्रो ज्यादा रिवर्स स्विंग हो गया मेरा और उसके बॉडी पे लग गया, तो उसके लिए उसे बोला कि इंटेंशनली नहीं मारा मैंने.
2 वर्ल्ड कप हासिल कर लिया आपने, उसमें इसमें कुछ वैसा ही इमोशन है?
इमोशन आज से पता नहीं कैसा है सर. अभी जीत रहे तो बढ़िया लग रहा है, लेकिन 2-4 दिन में पता लगेगा जब इमोशन सिंक इन करेंगे कैसा फील हो रहा है. एंड बहुत ही बेहतरीन टीम है, सब मैच विनर्स है टीम में, तो बिलीव था शुरू से कि अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे एंड रिजल्ट इज क्या होता है टॉपिंग ऑन द केक।
250 की बात होती है हर वक्त, लेकिन बॉलरों के बगैर तो होता नहीं है मैच। बॉलरों की क्या भूमिका होती है ऐसे टीम में?
बॉलर की भूमिका है कि अगर 250 बैट्समैन बना रहे हैं तो आपको 250 से कम में रोकना है उनको, बस ये भूमिका रखी है हमने। एंड अगर बॉलिंग फर्स्ट करे तो जिन्हें कम पे रोक सके एंड बैटर्स को मौका दे खुल के खेलने का।
आज रील कौन सा बन रहा है?
अभी फोन लेके आऊंगा ऊपर से, 10-15 सोची हुई है, देखते कितनी बनती है।
लेकिन बहुत मजा आया एंड कांग्रेचुलेशंस। लेट्स गो बैक टू दिल्ली।
ও পেঙ্গুইন একটা মানে অনেকগুলো পেঙ্গুইন থেকে একটা পেঙ্গুইন অনেক দূরে চলে আসে তো
Tell us the vibe within this plan of yours, playing for India.
ওদের হাঁটাটা এরকম
You've got to adapt.
মতটাকে হেলে
You
হেলে
guys batting in different
টং
positions.
টং করেছিল মতটাকে হালকা
To
হেলে
be honest, we have prepared since last 1.5 years. We
ছোট
are
বাচ্চার মতো
playing in
খেলছিল
all the positions and we were prepared for batting at any
তোমার কোনো কাজ আছে
positions for the team. That's what we have
সেটা
decided.
তার নেগেটিভ
We are up for it
নেগেটিভ
and we have already practiced and we are in a right mindset
তার নেগেটিভ
for batting in any positions.
What about the fielding? I've got to say the fielding has certainly stepped up at the right time. Catching getting a lot better.
You know, actually, I would not say whenever the team needed, the boys always stand up for in the fielding, especially when you see in the semi-final game against England, the way Akshar took the catches and the way we have fielded. And today also, I would not say the best fielding, but still we have took some good catches in the end. Me and Ishan have got good fielding today. So yeah, end of the day, we are happy that we won the final.
Only March the 8th. A certain franchise T20 tournament is at the end of the month. We're partying. What's going to happen in Bollywood for the next couple of weeks?
Absolutely, next couple of days will be a big party with the boys. We have decided after the final we're gonna do a big party, and we'll take a couple of rest and we'll be back again in the IPL.
I'll see you there. Well done.
कल्मिनेशन ऑफ अ ड्रीम राइट, क्योंकि 2 साल पहले इस युवा टीम ने एक और सपना देखा था कि जो सीनियर्स ने करके दिया है उसको क्या हम दोबारा दोहरा सकते हैं। ये सामने जब टीम आई थी तो एक बड़े टारगेट का पीछा कर रही थी। 255 भारत ने बनाए, 159 में सिमट गई न्यूजीलैंड की पूरी चुनौती। 52 बनाए टीम साइफर ने, पर शुरुआत में देखिए वरुण, अक्षर, गुजरात नहीं सिंगल हैंडली हरा दिया है न्यूजीलैंड को। हार्दिक के खाते में 1 है, 3 है अक्षर, 4 है बुमराह। वरुण चक्रवर्ती के खाते में 1 सफलता आई, अभिषेक शर्मा एक विकेट उनके खाते में भी थी, वो अंतिम विकेट।
সবাই বলে যে আমাদের এই নরেন্দ্র স্টেডিয়ামে ইন্ডিয়া কোনোদিন জিততে পারে না, ইন্ডিয়া কোনোদিন জিততে পারে না, এটা অভিশাপ না সবাই বলে। কিন্তু আজ দেখি যে আমার ইন্ডিয়া যে কোনো স্টেডিয়ামে দাঁড়ানো কেন আমরা দেখিয়ে দেবো, কেলেন্টার বানিয়ে দেবো। দেখো ভারতের পড়ছে 255 রানে 5 উইকেট 20 ওভার খতম, আর এটা হচ্ছে 119 ওভারে 119 রান।
अक्षर, अभिषेक, क्वालिटी फील्डिंग, अच्छे बॉलिंग चेंजेस, एक तरफा
10টা উইকেट পুরো পড়ে গেল 119 রানে 19 ওভারে।
जिस इतिहास का पीछा कर रहे थे वो इतिहास तो हमने रच दिया है। चलिए पहली टीम बन गए जिन्होंने 3 बार इस ट्रॉफी को उठाया है, पहली टीम बन गए जिन्होंने सक्सेसफुली अपनी ट्रॉफी को डिफेंड किया है, पहली टीम बन गए हैं जिन्होंने घर पे ये किया है कारनामा। आज तो पूरे विश्व ने भारत का लोहा है माना। आउटस्टैंडिंग ये काम किया है भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम ने। आज ये दस्तखत कर दीजिए, क्योंकि आपने यहाँ सिर्फ मुकाबला नहीं जीता है, आपने विरासत यहाँ पर बनाई है। 2024 में जीते थे, 17 साल के बाद जीत आई थी। तीसरी ट्रॉफी भारत के नाम, भाई हर जगह गूंज रहा है एक ही नाम, मेरा हर बाहर।
এটা নিয়ে আসবে ট্রফিটা, চলো দেখে নি ট্রফিটাকে, ট্রফিটা নিয়ে আসবে।
वर्ल्ड चैंपियन निशान किशन, ये फीलिंग कैसी है? To be very honest, you know,
the moment I got out of the team, and it was a big journey for me
Kisan.
coming from domestic, playing this
Kisan.
tournament,
Kisan.
making it to the
Kisan.
team, and
Kisan.
winning the
Kisan.
championship. It's been a roller coaster for me
Oh,
right
then
now,
mic
and I
ka
think
ball-
we need to get more of
Kisan.
these championships
Kisan.
because these times I think I would never forget. in my
India
life.
champion of the world again.
It's the team, and we'll do it again and
চ্যাম্পিয়ন
again
হয়ে
and
গেল
again.
2026 ইন্ডিয়া
I know it's
ওয়ার্ল্ড
difficult to sum up the feelings, but if I were to ask you to pick one moment from the World Cup where you thought, this is ours now,
নিউজিল্যান্ড ভাববে
only we can
যে ইন্ডিয়া
falter
কি
and let
জিনিস
it
ভাই
get out of our grasp, तो कौन सा लम्हा होगा?
I think that was day
न्यूजीलैंड
one
हारते
when we
इंडिया की
started the World
जिनिस
Cup. You know
इंडिया
how we
থেকে
went in,
টিরো
how we
হাতরা
were
না
approaching towards the game. I think everyone, all the senior players, credit goes to them as
Yeah,
well.
England
They were,
bowler
onto the
matches.
mark, asking us to,
The
put all
India
your
side
effort,
to
give you
jitara
100%, and that's what we did. And that is the quality of a champion team, I guess.
जब झारखंड को आप वो टाइटल जिता रहे थे, when you were scoring that 100, you were winning that final, if somebody told you you'll be standing in Ahmedabad
আমাদের
on the 8th
ইন্ডিয়াটা
of March and
সবার
doing
থেকে
this, what would you have said to
সব
him?
দেশের থেকে
I
আমাদের
think we
ইন্ডিয়াটাই
would do
ছোট,
it with grace,
কিন্তু
we do it with
ইন্ডিয়ার
a
মধ্যে
smile
সব
on
দিক
our
থেকে
face,
বড়।
and we'll be
গর্ব।
humble throughout the
ইন্ডিয়াটা
tournament.
থেকে
আমার
অনেক
And
গর্ব
we will
আমার
do
ইন্ডিয়া
it.
ছোট
That
কিন্তু
was
সব
the
দিক
thing I
থেকে
said to my friends
বড়
and my family
সব
members
দিক
as
থেকে
well,
বড়
that today we are
ইন্ডিয়ায় একটা কোনাতে পড়ে
Tell
যাবে
us a little bit
ভেঙে
about the
পড়ে
final
যাবে
today.
এবার আসছে
Obviously, India
টাটা
have gone with
IPL
the philosophy कि यार 200-250
এবার
रन
टी20
हमें
গেল,
बनाने
এবার
हैं,
সে
हमें
टाटा
एक तरह का
IPL
क्रिकेट खेलना है. How proud are you that we were able to do it against England in the semi-final and once again today when the pressure was enormous?
I think I always talk about it, it's about the mindset, how you approach, who gives the first punch in these big tournaments, because, skill sets. Let's go! Let's go!
Varun, Ishan की bowling आने वाली थी. He was going to bowl the next over. But how would you sum up Ishan Kishan's campaign before I come to you?
I've been following him in Syed Mushtaq Ali, and he was crazy dangerous. It's so tough to bowl to him, and great that he was able to do the same thing here.
আজকে
Yeah.
না মানা
Now, I
করে
know
চোখ
Ishan, there was a lot of
চলে
pressure on Varun as well going
আমি
into this
ডাকলাম।
final. He set some high standards. He's the number 1 ranked bowler in the
আচ্ছা
world. What was the conversation like? Did you ever get a chance to interact with Varun?
No, we always believed in no matter what, all the good bowlers, they also go for runs, and that doesn't matter to us as a team. We have to believe in each other, and Varun, the quality he got throughout the tournament, before the tournament, I think he's just a tremendous bowler. It's just about being in good headspace and bowling the right balls. And he did that over and over again, and few matches here and there, I don't mind, because none of us mind, like every batter doesn't get runs on each and every day. So that's the same thing with bowlers, and he came up with good intent today, he bowled with all his heart, and that's who he is.
Varun, what does this World Cup mean to you? What does world champion Varun Chakravarti think of tonight here in Ahmedabad in front of more than 100,000 people?
Feels like my life has come a full circle, because when I started cricket when I was 26, so it was too late, but right now I won a World Cup for the country, and feels surreal. Yeah.
One thing you mentioned after the Champions Trophy win was the support of the support staff. In particular, you highlighted them. How crucial was their role and the coach's role in particular to get you up to this mark today after the Super 8s didn't quite go to plan?
See, there are two things about it. It's super batter-friendly wickets, so
মাত্রা কম হয়ে
so
গেছে
it was little very challenging for me. But on the other hand, I was able to pick up here and there wickets, so it was crucial from my side also. And credit has to go to Surya and Gauti. Gauti Bhai, they never even had a iota of doubt in their mind that I won't play today's match. They told that even if you give 460 every next 10 matches, you are going to play.
Finally, one message to all the fans who've come here, of course, with all kinds of memories, expecting that we will be able to overcome anything that comes our way today in Ahmedabad.
I think, first of all, I would like to thank the crowd for being so supportive, throughout the tournament, not only in the ground, but as well as wherever we were traveling. And, wherever any player, Abhishek was not going through a good phase, but yeah, I saw the support he got throughout the tournament, and that's what India is all about. We just don't play the 11 members, but we all play together, and this championship, I think, it's not just for us, but for all India.
Where does this rank amongst all the things that you've achieved in your career? This night today, how special would it be?
Definitely amongst the top, because World Cup, no team has won back-to-back, and no hosting nation has won it. So it has to rank in one of the best, and I think it's very special to many people also, even Gautam Gambhir, Surya, because of the criticism they have been going through, and even Gigi, the criticism he has been going through. For him to come up and make a statement, this is very good for him also. So yeah.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for your company. Enjoy the night.
Enough
World
for this
champion
man.
once again. Let's go!
আসছে কেন
এবার আসছে ট্রফি
It is a
নিয়ে
great pleasure, of course, to identify the player of the match now, and that award goes to Jasprit Bumrah for his 4 for 15. And to present Jasprit with his award, Mr. Abdul Rahman Al Takur, Managing Director, Aramco Asia, India. will present Jasprit with his medal. Congratulations to Jasprit. Jasprit, I'll just push you back on that mark there so we can get some distance. What does this win generally of another World Cup mean to you?
Feels extremely special because I've played one final at my home venue and couldn't win that one, but this one feels really special. I was really motivated. I was really clear. I knew what I wanted to do. The wicket was a flat one, so I played all my cricket here, so I used all my experience. Today was a wonderful day where all the execution went as per plan. So yeah, really happy, really grateful. God is really kind.
From a tournament perspective, you bowl some of the toughest overs to start, occasionally in the middle and at the back end. Give us an insight into your mindset and your character and your planning in approaching this.
So before this tournament, I was in that zone where I felt I was trying too hard because I was bowling really well, but some way or the other, I was feeling that maybe I'm trying too hard. But in this format, I let the game come to me. I was clear. I used to prepare and then read the situation and believe in myself. That is what I tried to do in this tournament. It worked really well for me. So yeah, my individual assessment of my game has always been my strength. So yeah, couldn't be really happy. I couldn't be special than this to win man of the match here. World Cup final, started my cricket here. Doesn't get better than this.
And to top that off with your best figures in T20Is, that must be the icing.
That I was not aware of, but really happy to close off on the win.
With regards to your slow ball and when you bowl it, you got Harry Brook with the first ball of your spell. You got another wicket today with the first ball, Rachin Ravindra. What is it that I suppose dictates when you use that?
Because of the experience, because I've played on belters over here. I have also seen the other team how they were bowling. I have learned over here when you are trying to bowl too fast, it gets easier, shot making gets easier, sometimes the ball gets on. So keep being smart, keep changing your pace, and expecting what the batsman is trying to do. So all of these things really help you, and clarity while execution also helps.
Just a final word on the rest of the bowling group that operated around you and you leading them.
Oh, it was really wonderful. Everybody is very clear. Whenever we've discussed, they always come up with their options. And whenever there's some communication that is to be needed, we always did that. We kept calm. We were never panicking, even if sometimes in the tournament the games got close, like the last one. We never panicked. We always felt that we'll keep our head above the water and try to hold our nerve. Teams that do that win the tournament, and we're very happy that we did it.
I could greatly say you know this crowd well, but this crowd here must be special.
It's really, really special. The crowd was really brilliant. They were behind us. They supported us throughout, and yeah, really, really happy and really thankful for all the support.
Thank you very much for your time and congratulations.
দেখা যাচ্ছে আমাকে যে আসবে
এটা কে বলেছিল?
Yeah, Jasprit Bumrah.